Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, I'm going to give full roadmap for to become AI engineer. What are the skills we require to become AI engineer and what are the project ideas and what are the job opportunities in present market and average package of an AI engineer in India and what are the companies you have to apply and what are the job roles AI engineering have, and finally I'm going to give what are the free resources and course links we have to learn AI engineer. So please don't skip the video, watch till the end to get free resources. Let's dive into a video. First, coming to skills required to become an engineer, AI engineer, programming language. So most of the students now learning Python or R language. Okay, Python or R language are the must learn skills to become an AI engineer, and Java also preferable. And you should know statistics and means stats and probability and calculus and algebra which are related to mathematics, and you should know machine learning algorithm. So I will list that machine learning algorithms in description, please see. And next, data science related things you should know, which are data manipulation, data visualization and EDA. Okay, and you should know deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras and PyTorch. And you should have aware of natural language processing, which is NLP, most important for your AI engineer journey. And computer vision related things like image to video analysis things you have to know, and big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark you should have basics. These are the basic skills you require to learn to become an AI engineer. While you are learning these skills, please try to do some projects like horse price prediction, chartboard development, and handwritten digit recognition. Sentiment analysis algorithms are very important. Projects related to sentiment analysis add value to your resume. And social media data gathering and cleaning, everything you have to know. And image classification with CNNS, this project is very important. And recommendation system related projects and autonomous driving simulation projects and real-time object detection projects. So choose any projects like this and try to get practical knowledge to become an AI engineer along with courses which I have said in previous slide. So coming to the jobs, what jobs you can apply if you learn AI engineer. So you can apply machine learning engineer and you can work as a data scientist, AI research scientist, AI engineer, and NLP engineer, computer vision engineer, robotics engineer, business intelligence developer. These are the job roles you will have if you learn AI. Coming to the average package in India, between 4 lakhs to 15 lakhs depends on your skills. Uh, Means as a fresher you can get 4 lakhs, and as you are getting experience you will move to 15 lakhs and above also. So coming to the average salary package, that is 16.5 lakhs in India right now. If you want more details related to this package related things, go to this website, which is moneyview.in, insights machine learning and artificial intelligence salary in India. In this website you will get all the job related things and packages related things, not only AI. I will give this link in description also. So if you learn AI, what are the companies you can apply? So most famous companies, level 1 companies, TCS, Wipro, HCL Technologies, Debra Medical Vision, Nirmai and Microsoft, Facebook, like Meta, Apple, Infosys, Cognizant, Mahindra Tech, Battle Analysis, Google, Amazon, IBM, and Nvidia. all these companies have the roles related to AI. So don't worry about the roles. I mean, companies. There are number of companies you have which you can work with AI. So if you come to free courses link, final part. So in EDX you have a free course related to AI learning with practical Python. Okay, and in Coursera you have a free course which is machine learning related AI, and in Google also you have a course which is called machine learning crash course. All these courses teaches you required skills for AI engineering. So I will give links in description. Please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who required a job urgently.